One div, two divs, three divs, 400 nested divs later, and you realize you've made a terrible mistake. Welcome to modern web development, where HTML is just an endless Russian nesting doll of divs and centering. Something is a battle between you and the CSS gods. Once upon a time, HTML had actual meaningful elements. You had header, section, article, tags that made sense. Now, every website is a div soup. Need a button? Wrap it in a div. Need a grid? Div need to display text? You better believe that's inside a div. It's divs all the way down. And let's talk about centering. Want to center a div? Good luck. You'll need flexbox, grid, and a sacrificial offering, and even then, it'll only work in Chrome. Safari?
Oh, hell no! Hell no!
Edge?
Forget about it!
And if you think using margin auto will save you, oh sweet summer child, welcome to the abyss of CSS debugging. You'll add display flex, then align item center, then wonder why it's still off by 2 pixels before giving up and setting position absolute top 50% left 50% and transform translate negative 50% 50%. And somehow it's still broken on mobile. Frameworks aren't helping either. React, divs, Vue, more divs, Tailwind, class hell inside div hell. Before you know it, your entire code base is just whatever this is. And don't even get me started on Bootstrap. You thought it would make things easier, but now you're trapped in a world of .row, : MD-6, and container fluid, where you have no idea where one div ends and another begins. And why do websites feel heavier than ever? Oh, right, because we aren't just writing HTML anymore. We're generating, copy-pasting from Stack Overflow, blindly trusting AI code suggestions, and slapping in unnecessary divs like they grow on trees. And before you know it, your site loads 15 different CSS files, 200 kilobytes of JavaScript, and has a render blocking div that refuses to die. Congratulations. You just built the digital equivalent of a lasagna, layered, messy, and barely holding itself together. But hey, it's not your fault. It's just how the web works now. So next time you're drowning in divs, just remember, table layouts are looking real nice right about now. Anyways, if you enjoyed this chaos, don't forget to subscribe before this whole channel collapses under the weight of its infinite divs. Now go, center your divs, if you can.